Hey, it's Sam with WTI. If you are a business owner and are looking for some professional tissues, these are a great pick. This is the Kleenex Professional Comfort Touch tissues. It comes in this sleek box, rectangular box, if you can see here. It has a very easy opening. There's a tab here that you slide open, just like this. Once you are inside the box, it has a protective plastic here, so you're not touching all of the tissues at once. You can pull the tissue out. It is a very nice 2-ply tissue. It's nice on your nose, and it's very professional and sleek. So this is a great option if you own an office or a business and you want to provide this for customers or patients. It's very sleek and it is a great tissue. That's my point of view.